This meticulously maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo offers a split-bedroom floor plan and is ready for its new owners. Located in a very quiet gated neighborhood in a highly desired area of Foley, this property provides the perfect combination of comfort and convenience. The kitchen is a true highlight, featuring granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, stylish cabinetry, and elegant backsplash, under-counter lighting, and updated fixtures. With soaring 9-foot ceilings, this home feels spacious and inviting. Designed with accessibility in mind, it includes 36-inch doorways in ensuite, 32-inch wide doorways to each bedroom. Backs up to privacy fence and trees. Extended single garage with door opener. The condo is only 3 years old, comes complete with all appliances including Whirlpool refrigerator, less than year old, and features a convenient Murphy bed that can remain with the home. Additional amenities include an outdoor storage area and the peace of mind of living in a gated community. The Condominium Owners Association covers landscaping, pest control, garbage pickup, and exterior insurance. Situated near the Foley Beach Express, Tanger Outlets, Foley Sports Complex, and the stunning Gulf Coast beaches, this condo offers effortless access to shopping, dining, entertainment, and coastal charm. Whether you're seeking a primary residence, vacation getaway, or an investment property with strong rental potential, this condo checks all the boxes. Sprinkler system currently being installed. Buyer to verify all information during due diligence.